I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Ford Focus Bluetooth. First, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and your vehicle is safely in park. Then, navigate to the sync system on your car's display. You'll want to find the phone or Bluetooth option within the main menu to begin the connection process. This initial step is crucial for a smooth setup. Once in the Bluetooth menu, select Add Device or Pair Device. Your Ford Focus sync system will then generate a 6-digit PIN. Simultaneously, your phone should display the same PIN. Confirm that these numbers match on both your phone and the car's screen. After confirmation, your phone will successfully pair with your vehicle, allowing for seamless integration. With your phone connected, you can now enjoy hands-free communication. Use voice commands to make calls or answer incoming ones, keeping your focus on the road. You can also stream your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks directly from your phone through the car's speakers. Remember to adjust the volume using your vehicle's standard audio controls for the best experience. If you encounter any issues, try a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, consider deleting any old, unused devices from your sync system to free up memory. A quick restart of both your phone and the car's sync system can often resolve minor glitches. For more persistent problems, always refer to your Ford Focus owner's manual for detailed, model-specific guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.